Alright, welcome back everybody. So, as you saw on the time lapse, we got all this printed out. This is actually a tripod. If it only was that easy. So here's all their parts here. Came out pretty decent for the most part. They still got a brim and everything on them. A little bit of cleanup to do on these guys, but yeah, something like that. So let's go ahead and clean all these things up and see if they go together. Might vapor smooth these. I don't know. Yeah, look, chunk of the bed. So for the cleanup process, I'm just going around hitting all the corners and edges with a file here. Trying to smooth all this out. Sorry for the noise. It hurts my ears too. Okay, let's see. Yeah, something like that. And help me out here. I didn't pass shapes in high school. I think it's something like that, right? Let's go there. Like so. And these go like so. Come on, work. Oh man, that's a tight fit. Ain't going nowhere though. Okay, for that hole, this one works good. And one nut does not look like the other. Okay. So, tiny bolt, go to legs. Just go till you hear the crack. How many notches? One showing. Crack. And last leg. And there's those. And these will connect together though. You see the little teeth. Teeth to teeth type deal. And here. Yeah. Okay. Not that far. Uh-oh. Too many cracks too far. Okay, since I don't think I'll ever adjust the angle of the legs there, we're gonna fix it with this. And it's pretty simple. If you print with ABS, I like to use a injector. Tilt you up a little bit so you can kind of see. And I just bring it out to the edge. There we go. A little dab will do you with ABS here. Alright, so do a little bit on the teeth. There you go, nice and shiny. Same thing on this side. It might be a little too much. One sec. Okay, nice and shiny. And we'll just do a pinch on here. There we go. And now we'll do all this jammed together. Make sure we got the right angle on it. And clamp it together for a little while. And it should glue down. And we still got this to figure out as well. I'll see you when this dries. Now that that's drying, I want to kind of show you something interesting. Oops. It's just some packing foam. And acetone doesn't do really a lot to this. It kind of melts and turns gooey. But, yeah. But let me show you with a different kind of packing foam what happens. Well, shoot guys, sorry about that. I can't find any of the other kind of packing foam. I think it's the same thing as those peanuts. You put acetone on that stuff, it just melts instantly. I threw some in the trash can before, and yeah, it just dissolved. I was gonna try to show you that, but I don't have any laying around. Just the stuff I just tried, which is mostly glue, and it didn't do much. But I think this is stable enough, so we'll go ahead and try to put the top on and throw some springs in there, like pen cap springs, so we get some springiness to it, so we can unlock our phone and squeeze it back down. Alright, got this together. Super tight fit. I had to kind of file it out a little bit. Oh, just a touch uneven. But good enough for me. So now we'll have kind of this action going on, and I put some small springs in this. So let me go grab a couple pens. Okay, snagged a couple of craptastic pens. Yeah, let's add something in it. These little springs here. Just want a couple of them. Ooh, this one's a little different. Man, let go. There you are. Oh, two different springs. We'll see which one works. Just drop them in the holes. There we go. Now it's got some tension on there, so it'll come up as you loosen the nut. And that's the tripod. So pretty nice. I do enjoy it. I printed everything at once, so I'd guess the better thing to do would be print all the nuts and bolts, or I guess they're all just like little bolts, but print them out separate. Not like 100% infill, just to be safe. But everything else turned out pretty good. Pretty good, pretty solid feeling, definitely. Took quite a bit of filament. I think it was like 200 something filament, or grams of filament there. But let's see if the phone fits. Well, the phone does fit, but womp womp, broke the damn nut. So, or bolt. So yeah, I would definitely print those out separate. Good thing is, I'll just print that out. It should only take maybe 3 days. So yeah, I'll go ahead and print that out 100%. Oh, and should be in action. That one I glued, I don't even know which one it was. Holding together pretty good. But yeah, it was a perfect fit for my phone. I have the S9 Plus. That's what you're seeing here. And yeah, it fit pretty good in this one. I just went with the, I think it was 7.85, whatever it was. The one closest to the width of my phone. Just under. You don't want to go anything bigger because then your phone's not going to fit when it's all the way tightened down. For how much this extends, you probably could have got away with the, what was it, 763. I think it's a standard one. That probably would have been fine because, you know, that part and all. But yeah, I'll go print out another bolt, and I think I'll use this now. It's fully adjustable. You can unloosen that up and adjust the head, tilt it, extend the legs, adjust the legs. So for 100% printed, it's pretty nice. But I think that's going to be it for this video. Subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next one.